Divi versus Kadence best WordPress theme in 2025. I've spent a good amount of time using both, and I want to share my experience honestly. Starting with Kadence, the first thing I noticed is how lightweight and fast it feels. The moment you install it, everything just runs smoothly, and it integrates perfectly with the Gutenberg block editor. I love being able to tweak pages and layouts without feeling like I needed a degree in web design. And its starter templates are great for quickly building a blog or small business site, and the global styling options make it easy to keep colors and fonts consistent across the site. WooCommerce integration is solid too, so setting up an online store was hassle-free. For someone like me who likes simplicity and speed, Kadence really hits the mark, and the free version is enough to get started, though the premium plan at $79 per year gives you extra templates and features without breaking the bank. Divi, on the other hand, is a completely different experience. It's packed with features and gives you a lot of control over design. The visual drag and drop builder is amazing because you can edit pages in real time and see the changes instantly. Divi's template library is massive with over 2,700 pages and 350 design packs, which means almost any type of website you want to build is already partially done for you. I also found the advanced animation options and custom CSS support really useful when I wanted something dynamic and unique. It's not as fast as Kadence out of the box, and the learning curve is a bit steeper, but once you get the hang of it, you can really create something visually stunning. Pricing is $89 per year or $249 lifetime, which is higher than Kadence but makes sense given all the features you get, especially if you're building complex sites or multiple client projects. From my experience, if your priority is speed, simplicity, and a lightweight site that loads fast and is easy to maintain, Kadence is the way to go. It's perfect for bloggers, small businesses, or anyone who doesn't want to spend hours on design. Divi is ideal if you want full design control, a huge library of templates, and advanced features that let you push your website's visuals further. Both themes are excellent, but honestly, it depends on what you need. I personally like using Kadence for quick setups and clean designs, and Divi when I want to really flex creative control and design something unique.